Dr. Raymer, it seems fewer and fewer people are getting the whooping cough vaccine. Do we need to be concerned about that?
Fewer people are getting the whooping cough vaccine. The other name for whooping cough is pertussis. Pertussis is a serious bacterial infection that affects the smallest babies and older caregivers the most. We know those that are not vaccinated can have complications leading to hospitalization, severe infections, or requiring help to keep them breathing and keep their oxygen within a safe range. The best way to avoid pertussis is through vaccination. The good news is pregnant moms, infants, and actually anyone in the household can be eligible for a pertussis vaccine. So it is always our recommendation that everyone maintains their pertussis vaccine, as we have seen an increase in hospitalizations here in 2025 from pertussis.